Let's talk hats. Your financial advisor wears a hat, sometimes two hats, and hat color has everything to do with a level of trust and confidence you may want to invest in their advice. So let's talk about these hats. I'm going to don this white hat to represent my role as a fiduciary. You know what that means. I'm held to a legal standard of care that requires I avoid, to the greatest extent, any conflicts of interest between you and both myself and any firm I might represent. Now, let me switch to this black hat to represent my role as a representative for a firm that wants to sell you insurance or investments. Now, I have a responsibility to them. I'm limited to what I can offer you, to the products they keep on their shelves, products that are most profitable to them. Instead of a white fiduciary standard of care, I'm now under what is called a suitability standard of care, meaning that I no longer have to provide you the best product for your need, but simply a product that's suitable to your need. If it costs twice as much and is twice as profitable to the firm I represent compared to an alternative available in the marketplace, well, that's all right. This is not to say I can't try to serve your best interest. In fact, I may have the very best of intentions in that regard, and I may even believe that I am serving your best interest. But how can I when my options are limited in this way? As people have become informed, well, they've begun to look for white hats. The challenge is in identifying which hat an advisor is going to be wearing come time to help you implement that advice. You see, a great many advisors have both white and black hats in their closets. They wear the white hat, referring to themselves as fiduciaries, in public and while giving general financial advice. This engenders confidence. Then, when the time comes to recommend and provide specific investment and insurance solutions, then they don their black hat. Since these hats with which I'm demonstrating the difference between the two roles are only figurative, there's no outward signal to you that their role has changed. You simply assume you're still receiving a fiduciary standard of care. So how are you to avoid black hats if you want to? Well, to wear a black hat, an advisor needs to be licensed with an insurance company or a brokerage firm. Now, I've been in the business for over 30 years and I have to dig and dig to find any clues. So if it's a true full-time fiduciary you seek, you might ask with what brokerage or insurance company a prospective advisor is licensed. A true fiduciary will be licensed with none. Better yet, get them to provide you with a signed fiduciary oath stating that they are not licensed or affiliated with any firm that receives compensation for recommending or providing financial or insurance products. Let me repeat that. Get them to provide you with a signed fiduciary oath stating that they are not licensed or affiliated with any firm that receives compensation for recommending or providing financial or insurance products. And now, I've got to figure out what to do with this black hat, for which I personally have no use. Until next time, peace and prosperity.